Hi, this is Carl Palachuk with another SOP video for managed service providers. Today's SOP is really about culture. Culture is one of the most important things about your business because it really is about how your team as a group works together, and that affects everything. I think there are three key pieces to culture. The first one is honesty, followed by integrity and teamwork. Honesty really goes to being able to trust everyone on your team, to know that you will tell each other the truth, that you will admit mistakes, that you will give each other honest feedback, and that you know as a group you can trust each other. It also means when you build it as a culture that people feel safe being honest. They know they're not going to be punished for saying, I made a mistake. They know that it's going to be okay to say, I don't know. And it's also important that we all recognize none of us knows everything, none of us is without failure, none of us is perfect. So when you're honest with each other as a team, it allows you all as a group to grow together and to reach the goals that you as a team want to reach. Integrity is directly related to honesty, but it's really a different thing. The word integrity comes from having something be a whole. When something is integrated, it is part of the whole. And if your team has integrity, it means that you as a group work together as a group, as a team. And so you see, when you have both honesty and integrity, then people begin to see that there is a goal for the group. You have things that you want to achieve as a group. And you begin to use the terminology of we, which is to say, we do it a certain way. We have a way that we like to have backups. We document everything. We have good communications with our clients. And so we as a group begin to work together towards group goals. One of the things that happens when honesty and integrity break down is that people compete with each other and very frequently unnecessarily compete with each other. We see this all the time in IT. We see people who don't share passwords, for example, or don't share configurations because they somehow think that their job security is dependent on being able to be the one person that people can call on. But we also all know, because we've taken over domains from other people, that you can get through that kind of a challenge. You can break through the passwords, you can figure out what they are, you can set the thing back to factory specs, you can buy new equipment. There's always a way to get the passwords. There's always a way to figure out the configuration. And when you go through that a couple of times as a team, you realize it's in everyone's best interest to go ahead and document everything and set it up the right way and share the information, and no one person has a silo of data. You also know as a team that keeping this information does not necessarily guarantee you job security. What does guarantee job security is working together as a team on your common goals. Your company will have a culture no matter what you do. You get to decide whether that culture happens intentionally or by accident. And you have to work from the top down. Managers and owners have to create the culture of the company that they want to work in. Make it fun, make it enjoyable, make it something where everybody is working together as a group on your common goals. And you will have the team that you want. For Small Biz Thoughts, this is Carl Palachuk wishing you all the best in your managed service business.